Right, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case here for my Google Pixel 8a. This is my OG favorite case of all time, pretty much, from Spigen for any of my smartphones when they do make this for a smartphone. It's going to come in around $16.99 with 5% off instantly at Amazon with Prime shipping. So if you are interested in buying this for your Pixel 8a, then do follow my affiliate link down in the description. And before we start the video, I want to say a big thank you and shout out to Spigen for kindly sending this out for review. So looking at the phone case, you can clearly see it's the matte black version with the crystal clear back. I've always been a big fan of the clear back, so you can kind of show off the phone, especially if you're someone that likes to rock skins and stuff like that. Just gives it a different appearance. But on the interior, you can kind of see that's what it looks like inside there. We do have the air cushion technology in the corners that's going to help with drop protection as well. So even though it's a very slim case, you're still getting some really good drop protection. And that's one thing I really love about these Spigen phone cases. So let's grab my Pixel 8a here. We'll start with the button side. Very simple. Push in and voila. That is all she wrote. So there is the case installed. So the only really big knock that I have with this case is with the clear back. As you can see, you can start to see some fingerprints and some smudging and stuff like that. That's kind of normal with a clear case. So it's not like it's the case itself. It's whenever you have, you know, a hard clear back like this, it's always going to pick up smudge and oils from your hands and fingerprints and stuff like that. But a quick wipe down with a microfiber cloth or your shirt is totally going to clean it up and be just completely fine. But matte black all around. One thing that's really cool is the visor is so dang slim. I mean, it's almost non-existent, which I've always been a fan of the visor, but as it's getting thinner and thinner, it's not making me upset. But lenses are recessed in, flash is recessed in, matte black top up here. So instead of having a portion cut out to see the color of the phone, it is just all matte black up there. So not going to complain about that at all. So if we move over to the side here, you're going to be able to see that we have some nice teeth there for the power button and then volume up and down button. And they all have kind of a touch of high gloss black around them. And then you can see here at the bottom that we do have a two-hole cutout there for a lanyard if you are a fan of lanyards. And if you look at here at the bottom, you can see two cutouts for the speakers and a nice generous cutout for the USB-C charging port. And if we flip it over to the other side, you can see just all matte black there, but we do have a touch of high gloss black once again with the Spigen branding right there. So very simplistic. And then if we look at the top, we do have just a circular cutout there for the actual microphone. And I want to point out that you can kind of see how it looks where that cutout is for the speaker grill up at the top. So definitely a nice little chunk of cutout there. And then if we look at it from this angle, you can see that we do have 360 lip protection all around. It's not like it's giant, but it's definitely present. So when we do the wobble test, we'll be able to see if the screen's actually touching the desk. But as you can see here, it's just really not going to be. And then if you look at it from this angle, you can see that the case is pretty slim. It's not like it's a super thick case. Like once again, it does feel good in the hand, even though the Pixel 8 is already a small phone. It just adds that tiny little bit of bulk that just makes it feel very comfortable in the hands and not just a massive, just, you know, giant case. It is tempered glass friendly as well, which is something that's really nice. And then, like I said, talking about that cutout, that's the way it looks there at the top. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test. So face down, no shaking going on at all. And if we go back down, no shaking going on it either. So this is a non-wobbly case, which is a good thing. So now let's do the clicky button test. So we'll start with the power button. Oh yeah, very, very clicky. And then volume up and down. So very tactile, guys, like super clicky, tacky, but super clicky, tacky, just, you know, clicky buttons. So very, very positive feedback. So absolutely love that. And then last but not least, let's grab my wireless charger that I've been using a lot lately, which is just my MagSafe. And as you can see there, we are wirelessly charging. Now I didn't get the animation for some reason, so let's try that again. There we go. So wirelessly charging with ease, no issues at all. And you can totally do Google Pay and all that stuff and not have any issues. So all in all, guys, for $16.99 less 5% and then plus taxes and all that for Amazon, this is a heck of a good case. I definitely recommend it. I do not have really any complaints at all. The only complaint, like I said, is just that the back is that very just fingerprint magnet, as you can see there. I mean, look at that. It's all over. So that's the only kicker. Now, my dream scenario would be is I know they make a frosted ultra hybrid case. It would be super sick if they did a ultra kind of a matte black finish ultra hybrid with a frosted back. I think that would be really, really, really cool. So matte black around the sides, frosted clear portion back here. So even if you did put a different color skin on it, you're still going to be able to see it, but that frostedness is going to be able to help with the imperfections of, you know, being able to see fingerprints like this one shows. So just something to think about. But yeah, you let me know what you think down in the comments as well. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.